welcome to ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Hito.
I'm Anuja, and today is a very special day. We actually have Nitya from the Plentiful Platter. Check out her blog. As a guest, she's going to be watching us and hopefully cleaning dishes after we're done.
I hope not.
And we also have some news cameras and crew around from the Global Reporter TV. So check them out as well.
So today we're making a velvety sweet potato coconut soup, and here is our star ingredient. We have 1 pound of sweet potatoes that we have peeled and cubed.
So we are using the orange ones that we get over here, which are beautiful to look at.
So I was wondering, can this be substituted with the white?
Like these?
Yeah, the white.
So these you get primarily also in India, but you know, any kind of sweet potato is good. Unfortunately, they're not as orange, but they're white and they're still beautiful. They still taste absolutely delicious. Same recipe, and it just looks a little different. That's about it.
So we have a medium-sized saucepan, and we're going to turn the heat up to a medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and allow that to heat up. And once the oil is hot, we have 1/8 of a teaspoon of asafoetida and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 sprig of curry leaves. And to that we have 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 small onion finely chopped. We're also going to sprinkle a little bit of salt to help the onions cook. And we're going to cook the onions for 2 to 3 minutes until they get translucent. At this point, we have 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, or to taste. So the onions are looking translucent now, and at this point we're going to add in the sweet potatoes and some salt and mix it well. We're going to let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the sweet potatoes get a little color. At this point, we're going to add 2 cups of water, and we're going to cook it for about 15 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are very tender. We're going to cover the pot, but go ahead and stir it every once in a while. Okay, the sweet potatoes look perfect. They're perfectly cooked, so at this point we're going to switch off the stove and let the mixture cool down a little bit before we blend it.
So you've transferred the sweet potato mixture to the blender. You've allowed it to cool down a little bit, and we're just going to start with pulsing so it doesn't explode. So the mixture looks perfect. It's very smooth and very velvety, hence the name of the dish. And we're going to transfer it back into the pan. Back in the pan, we're going to turn on the stove, add in a can of coconut milk and mix it. This is a perfect time to check and make sure your salt and your seasonings are all perfect. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of lime juice and mix. Now we're going to keep this aside and actually pour it into our serving dishes. Meanwhile, we'll make a tarka or a seasoning. We're also going to add a few leaves or a small sprig of curry patta onto the soup. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow them to pop. Add a little bit more red chili flakes to taste, optional. And then pour this mixture over the curry patta. So it looks pretty and it's ready to serve.
So our soup is ready, and look at it. It just looks amazing.
That looks smashing.
So Nitya, since you are the guest of honor here, would you like to do the taste test?
Gladly, I cannot wait to dig in.
You get the honorable spoon.
Yes, and that looks so delicious, smells amazing. And that wasn't too hard at all to make. So.
Is it velvety?
Oh yeah. Velvety, check. Coconut, check. Sweet potato, check. It's got a hint of spice, and then towards the end you get this tang from the lime, and I think that's an absolute flavor bomb, and that's comfort in a bowl. And
Right, it kind of balances out the sweetness.
gonna have a little more. Yeah, absolutely. It's delicious.
Excellent. Approved.
That's really good.
Awesome.
Double thumbs up.
So if you like this recipe and you want to see more from us, be sure you first of all hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you'll be the first one to know every time we post a new video.
And join us again on another episode of ShowMeTheCurry.com.
Adding a pinch of spice to your life.